while since I've been on the longboard. Today we are meeting with another video maker and he's gonna help me with some stuff and we're just gonna have some fun. Alright, so this is him.
Hi.
Go ahead, dude. Say who you are, what you do.
Yeah, I'm Liam from Forlì. I study at musical artistic school, but I really love photography, so I'm just trying to do something new and something about photography. And yeah, I like really enjoy filming and in this case skating. So Roris called me, and not called me but write me and say, hey, you wanna do a video? And I say okay, so here I am.
Today he's gonna help me with this video that I want to do. I want to take like this picture at the train station where you have a person that's standing and then you have the train passing. It's going to be two pictures. One, a long exposure with the train passing. You can see the train, you know, the blurred train passing. And the other one I want, it's like photogram. Basically a lot of pictures put together to make them look like a video, and it's going to be like a lot of high shutter speed shots put together, and yeah, that's kind of it. The effect is gonna look cool. So all we have to do right now is to go check the train schedules and, you know, put everything together, and that's kind of it, really. Yeah, backstage BTS stuff. What do you like better, pictures or video?
I prefer video because it has a unique heart of multiple photos that can create different emotions. And I really enjoy the fact that pictures in sequence can create feelings. So I prefer more photos instead of just only one.
Okay. We're here at the station.
Oh, yeah.
The train is gonna pass in like half an hour, something like that. In the meantime, we're gonna set up everything. To shoot this kind of picture, I suggest that you have some sort of tripod, even if it's a mini tripod or whatever, just something to stabilize it. So we're here, we're gonna set up, and you know, tell us what you're shooting with.
I'm going to shoot with this Sony A6000. 128 and 150.
So it's like one of those old lenses, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. So you like manual focus? And
yeah, I really enjoy manual focus because it gives like a taste of the
past.
old past.
Okay. So you're nostalgic of the old times. Dude, I enjoy autofocus so much. I don't have to do shit. Okay? So like with this Canon, it's like you just go do your thing.
Here, by here. Oh!
Fuck, the train is already here and we were on the other side talking, and now we need to do things fast. Super fast setting up. It's coming! first and second try went pretty good. Kind of like it. Now I'm gonna try with the mask on, so we can get. I think it's gonna look cool. That's it. That's basically it. Let's try.
The glasses.
Too late. We missed another one, for fuck's sake. But we are resilient and we will try again until we make it. I think we have to wait for the, you know, to get a little bit darker anyway, so in the meantime we're gonna take some other test shots. So tell us your idea, what did you want to shoot?
Yeah, I wanted to shoot like kinda type of photo that you want to do, but instead of like 28 millimeters or just half body, only like portrait.
Mm-hmm.
And in the background there is the train that is going all along.
So do you want that to be like a long exposure?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, cool. Right.
We're waiting for the train.
We're gonna try Elia's idea. Sounds good, right? Elia's idea. We got his experiment, went out pretty good. You happy with it?
I'm really happy about it.
Good.
I'm really happy.
Good. Now we're waiting another train and another train and another train until it gets fucking dark, so we can shoot with the mask and the lights and everything. And it should be should be pretty good. Feeling good about this, you know. It's cool. It's. I say this in every video that I do like a sort of collab, but it's always nice to go out with people and, you know, shoot and put your ideas together and come up with something.
It's something that I figured out really in this period, going out with people that have really good ideas. Turning into reality is really, really like something for yourself. It really help.
Yeah,
really
totally. Because sometimes people, you know what they do? I mean, I actually, in the beginning I was like this, you know, people are like, oh, I'm not gonna tell this guy what I'm doing, he's gonna steal my idea or whatever, you know. Happens a lot. It's like, especially with photographers, like, wow, why am I supposed to tell you, you know, my ideas, like, and then you end up always by yourself, and it's not that good. We're gonna test this manual lens and see the effect that it does.
I'll see.
What I want to do is to turn the mask on, the lights from the mask on, and with the lights from the train, and create like you know, that contrast between the lights. So that's basically what I want to do. So I'm really enjoying this right now. It's been a while since I went out shooting, you know, and trying to experiment, new ideas, new stuff. This in particular is not, I mean, I've seen this on YouTube, on the 7th Year's YouTube channel, and I just want to do it. We're getting ready for the last shot. We got him ready here.
I have all my hairs on my eyes. I'm suffering, but this is photographer life.
Yeah. He's a good model. It's gonna be a little bit of a long exposure, 1/40th of a second, so we'll have some motion blur and there'll be light also, so it's gonna be looking cool. Alright, so we got him in frame like here, and yeah, that's good, yeah. It's coming, but it's moving so fucking slow. Fuck you. We're gonna try it anyways. No, you know what? You fucker. See how slow it's moving? I kind of like it, you know? With him just sitting there like that. Boom shakalaka! Hello. This is the best shot this tonight. It's like the best of the best. Look. I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. Look at this. Yeah, right? It's fucking cool.
Yeah.
You gotta love this.
Oh shit.
Nice, let's go. Oh!
We finished.
We fucking finished. It was incredible. I loved it. We should do more collaborations like this, you know, with other people also. We should create like a fucking crew or whatever and do more stuff like this.
Absolutely.
Come up with new ideas every time and do
new ideas
things.
at the world to improve every day.
Sure.
So,
yeah.
New ideas.
This has been it for today, for this time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!